Welcome on YouTube. This is Randy here at you with a call it a noon sesh. Well, this is a session here. This is a live stream. As you can see from the title, fire for negative energy, burn all negative energy. As I said, this live stream, wait, name fire and negativity. Uh, Today is the utmost best day. Now, don't get me wrong, every day is a blessing, but sometimes in this world there are people that just come in your life that just decide to them presence is always welcome. So guess what? Them come in your life and keep up ends of foolishness, ends of fuckery. With that, you have to make it known, say, yo, it's your life and you need a stop to this foolishness. You need to be happy. So, me personally, I suffer upon all negativity. Shout out to my brother, my bro, my friend. I said, my brother. Shout out to Hollywood Solo. He's in the hospital right now. Yo, blessings and honor to him. Hopefully him heal up properly. Hopefully all goes well. As I said, this is a session where I burn out the negativity out of the day, out of this world. I'm not in it no more. Done. Why evil negative forces think them have a place on this earth? Children, all of us are loving children, loving beings within our life. We don't need people to come in and cause unnecessary stress. Oh, and why does Maurice call himself Helix? That's basically from our old fire spinning days. I'm Vlad, he is Phoenix. Reason why I call myself Vlad is short for my middle name, Vladimir. Helix, we went with the fire team, so he's even supposed to come over. I don't know where he is right now. But bless up to my brother Helix and bless up to my brother them at the place in a JA. And so this is a session where I go burn out all negativity. Shawnette OG. I'm from Jamaica. Much love to you in other place. And their kind of family. We're going Med City Outlaw 31. It's not even the trolls. I give zero fuck about the trolls. Nothing no fears me. Like you can't say all you want to say to me. You can't come up and say what you need to say. Just touch a button. I was saying in Jamaica, touch a button. And that's what it's going to happen. I'm a very peaceful person. I love everyone in this world. But don't get me wrong. If you step on my tour or my family tour, I just say you're going to see a complete different Randy. I said, I am loving, but by the graces of the God above, if a nigga would try me, you see the Jamaican jump out in a 2.1 seconds. Or even shorter. You know, I said, we're born out of the negativity. So I'm going to play one cartel, it called highest level. Because none of them can depend on level. No one can stop your shine in this world. No one can tell you say you can't do it. Anybody in this world ever try to tell you say you can't or try to doubt you or put you down. Tell them so that they're not dep on your level. Randy Seffi say, tell them Randy from Jamaica says, you are not on my level. Bless up to everyone. I'm gonna light this up and calm down a second. Pull up this song right now. Pull up this. There's my scissors. Yo, bless up Hollywood. Speak of the devil. Give me a second. Helix just stepping at the place. Let's swing and fire upon negativity. Burn out all negativity. Burn out bad mind people.
What's up, everybody?
Helix in the place.
Helix in the building.
I said, them man asked why you get the name Helix. Remember from the fire spinning days?
Yeah. Yeah.
Vlad and Helix.
Vlad and Helix. Sorry. There's nobody in the secret looking for one, sir. Some mistake.
Make sure you have another one?
Yeah, don't break off blame.
Blame?
Yeah.
No, don't blame that.
You happy? Yeah. Not gonna do.
No, just no that. Want a puff out of that. Want a cancer stick in a mess. No. Yo, we're going South Bank. And sorry if I came on a bit aggressive, but I'm tired. I'm tired. Why negative people are trying? Why? I said Hollywood. My brother Hollywood in the fucking hospital. Me feel away. In all honesty, of the graces of God, me not have a visa.
Yeah, we will come and see you and just
see. Yeah, technically we would come and see Hollywood. Anything else we do? I never me.
We were never there.
No, Shaggy said it wasn't me.
It wasn't me.
Mm-hmm. Burn the cancer stick.
It's one of those days. It's just one of those days.
But yo, where reach a point? I'm sorry, where reach a point where negativity once it come near me, I shoot it down. I shoot it down. I make sure I say it there.
Yeah.
No. This done play. But at that sign we ain't come after, but me say, you know what? Since we now a war mode and negative mood.
Yeah.
There is negative mood for burn out. What if I things I'll tell people.
This is for you, Hollywood. Whoa. Cheers, man.
Wow, me dance in my feelings.
I think it's the one.
Even put on the tea. The tea when I love. We start off the morning with a cup of tea. No, man. Negativity now get to me. Bad mind people now get to me. Burn out them. Fire upon them.
One time. Yes, Lemon.
One time. What time is this? Time to smoke another.
Alright, Dr. Wiggler. Can reason with me anytime. Bring any question, anything. As you say, we have bonfire for negativity. The reason you have to reason out negativity, you have to reason out all the bad mind, all of the hate in this world. Oh, so then drink mint tea. I can't have coffee these days. I've had too much when I was in college and
College life, man. Sorry.
So right now, coffee is a bad reaction
No
to me.
coffee to me. It's either green tea, with rose. I would like to try Chinese tea.
I can get some sage and stuff, but green tea, coffee, not that much of a friend. And how's the garden? The garden is looking nice. I'm waiting on some buds to basically finish up. They're small plants, but I don't mind. I said these seeds that I have were to test out in Jamaica. But smoke them. It's the first time I'm gonna be smoking these.
First time in the country as well.
Yeah, so once these run off, I'm gonna definitely set up that I can run a different set, run more plants, and run better grows. But for now, garden looking nice, my buds them looking quite lovely, and I'm very happy with what's going on.
Flushing out the system quite nicely.
Yeah, flushing out the plants that are like in the last part of flowering. Remember the god bud just came.
Yeah,
I think the god bud is like now 2 weeks worth of flowering. Yeah, 2 weeks in flowering.
And you pushed up, so
Well, it have both 2-3 more left.
yeah.
And they are tasty. One thing, the molasses that I use in the compost tea made everything sweet. All the buds are sweet.
Mostly fruits are in them, and
in my compost tea, fruits, molasses, Epsom salt, eggshells. I even dropped garlic, mint,
banana,
and I mixed up a fermented fruit juice. I got the blossoms from the.
I'm savage.
Oh, good man. Yeah, I forget. That's what made me feel nice. And I said, got some fermented plant juice and just. Yeah, she put up Helix one too. He's gonna be setting up his Instagram soon, so you can. Then again, do you have any weed related pics on it?
Yeah, I do, and I'm gonna take some more pictures of his plants and some chalice pictures and everything. I have my camera, so I'm gonna take some whole lot of pictures.
Show them the camera. I said, run tune selector, run blood clot tune.
That's your favorite one, bro. I have my camera, the Canon.
I need to get my ass a camera.
Rebellion 10.5. Nice camera. I've taken a lot of shots. I've taken a lot of pictures.
But the people on my Christmas a camera is definitely on it. I'm working my ass off to get one.
Yeah. So I'm gonna take some pictures and then I'm gonna post them up on Instagram. I'm gonna put more weed on my Instagram, and I want to go to some greenhouse and take some pictures as well.
Bro, we got a link to a fucking
when they're ready.
Farm.
Yeah, when they're ready.
No, when we ready. The thing is, remember we're gonna have work to do. So
yeah,
once that finish, by mid in the work, we're gonna have to be in and out of JA.
Yeah.
In and out in around Jamaica. So. There's some place more, because we not touch Kingston yet.
No.
Kingston. And if you touch Kingston, we need to touch Montego Bay, Negril, Westmoreland, Ocho Rios, and Trelawney.
Ooh.
Where else we need to touch? We need to go back to Senti.
We need to go North Coast. Blue Mountain.
I'm tired of the North Coast sometimes. Sure.
That's how I feel. There are places we've not seen.
You have not seen.
Yeah, well, so
go in. Yeah, go.
Yes.
But
you're coming, bitch.
Sure, man. Now they are Blue Mountain. Fuck with them.
All right, then Blue Mountain pics. I know you guys don't want to see some Blue Mountain pics.
Seal by the gods.
I tell you, man, you should have.
But my best set. I'm a split drop and no weed god say, oh, no split field today.
Yeah.
So,
More weed. Yes.
more weed. Oh, this all aboard. It come on.
You know what you think? No, isn't it? You isn't it?
No. It come out October 20th. That one I'm missing. It's a new Vibes Cartel. I'm go play.
Free World Box.
Me here, so that one is on fire. So we burn out negativity. Bring in a new Vibes Cartel song. Roll up ganja, smoke ganja.
On the board with the frank, if you dance, but we know we can't afford. If you want it, we got hustle on the road. On the board, on the board, on the board, on the board with the frank, if you dance, but we know we can't afford. If you want it, me hustle on the road. Give them something to the dance. If you don't give to my rough, yeah, party man, yeah, pussy, if you dare, all right, then check my round, so be a vaccine for you. As if I would have been, see if we can spread out, we can just say, fucking with you, really good things, even if it's such a man, flat and not what we can give us.
Yo, what Vibes Cartel get this? Get these songs from? We yes.
Them boy are big like y'all, don't big like y'all, cause you not, cause you not lie, you big like brown, big like y'all, cause you not, lie, you big like brown. I'm so intriguing, get the fish and I wake up, we do it, money dreaming, honeymoon, spring cleaning, honeymoon, it's season, honeymoon, this evening, no, money marriage, and we don't see you become the clean, carotene, and we chain, free and a rabbit, penny, jeans, blueberry, ragamuffin, pancita for a nothing, slave vampire, I'm loving. Aqua, nah man, them boy are big like y'all. Aqua, nah man, them boy are big like y'all. Don't big like y'all. Cause you not y'all. Don't big like rock. Don't big like y'all. Cause you not y'all. Big like rock. Get your chain from England to see. Hustling a son and in a rain, I see. You sleep when I beg when I see it. More life, full life, sweet. Rest my head on the curve I see. Being like up, so you know how we do it. One time broke, so you know what we do. Cook say God up, so you know what we do. So now the blood clean.
Remember to share this, guys. Make everybody know that this is where it is. Fire upon negativity. Now Jamaica, burn out bad mind out of this world. I don't know, we have burn out bad mind out of our life. We don't want no negativity. Love is the religion. Love is the key in this world. So right now, I'm just sending out blessings to you. Blessings to everyone in the chat. Blessings to Lemon GF. Midwest Outlaw 31. Bless up yourself. Dr. Wiggler, bless up yourself. South Dance, bless up yourself. As Mr. Hollywood, heal up and blessings to you, my brother. We have who else in the place? We have Lit Tea. So Mr. bless up the tea. And Shawnette, OG, bless up Empress. As Mr. bless up on a blood clot self all the way from Jamaica. Much love and praises to you.
Cheers, everyone.
Them boy are big like y'all. Don't big like y'all. Cause you not lie, you big like brown. Don't big like y'all. Cause you not lie, you big like brown. Nah man, them boy are big like y'all. Nah man, them boy are big like y'all. Don't big like y'all. Cause you not lie, you big like brown. Don't big like y'all. Cause you not lie, you big like brown.
Vibes Cartel, World Boss.
That's serious, man.
All aboard.
That's some serious sweet meat issues, you know. Like things neat. That's why I smoke weed.
People them will say you could never do it. Just tell them don't come back in your life.
Spider-Man coming, the comet is coming, no one can stop it. Y'all talk about things, fuck you, talk of me as the news. Oh, well then, but don't come back when you hear word boss like choose. Oh, what great was this to the do? Mariana and Mummy in shoes. 1,000 Toma de la Rue, like 9-7 Hebrew. No regular girl, not the common mind today. If I'm an anime, no one see go on today. She have to have fuck no claim is on my man. If I'm ready for the motherfucking world again, money. Get the money and the power that you won't forget. What afford I come and high. Listen, nobody be a world boss here today. One down, that's it. Cartel world boss or teach. Run street with the black or teach. beach, R.I.P. This will be my first dream. Me stop tell girls about faithful, cause they will do what they want. But since we broke up, I'm so strong. 99 pounds for the bitch ain't warm. Y'all talk about things, fuck you. Half of me, I see a news. One then, but don't come back when you hear word boss and choose. I'm grateful, kids to the room. Like the other hand, to me, choose. One house, man, come at the room. Like 9-7, bro, he so confident. Pump woman, I'm a bed, I'm a confident. Early in the morning, I run my shake. Me a wake up, down with the long machete. Everywhere me a turn, she said, action, I'm the officer. Bedroom, crime sorry, officer. Next time I'll be for this officers or not. One down, that's it. Cartel good boss or speech. Run street with the black or beach. R.I.P. This will be my first dream. Me stop tell girls about faithful, cause they will do what they want. But since we broke up, I'm so strong. 99 pounds for the bitch ain't warm. Y'all talk about things, fuck you. Half of me, I see a news. One then, but don't come back when you hear word boss and choose. I'm grateful, kids to the room. Like the other hand, to me, choose. One house, man, come at the room. Like 9-7, bro, he cool. Say, I did, damn it, it's again on the planet. Speaking erratic and control. Coming like Spider-Man, coming, the comet is coming. No way can stop it. Say, I did, damn it, it's again on the planet. Speaking erratic and control. Coming like Spider-Man, coming, the comet is coming. No one can stop it. Y'all talk about things, fuck you.
Come back by Vice Cartel. Ooh. If they say I steal news, just tell them don't come back because you must shine one day. Everyone has a rise, everyone has a fall. Don't bet because you're up on your face, don't bet because you think you're down. Anybody better than you. No, nobody not better than you.
Nope.
You're going to rise back one day, and when you do that, you just keep yourself humble and strong. Much love in the place. So for the real people, them real youth, real people, them in the place.
Me a real you, no for them I say true. No for the faithful, yeah, me fool. Who no think, me don't know. My time is a real one. I'm changing full moon. You get one shot in the jar. Success I miss the time. Tell me, on your vision there. Good thing, me now let you go. Thank you, come across the words. Shot, know you with me, girl. When I leave you, know you with me, girl. See you stick to.
Well, argument first,
no for them I see true. Come on, the faithful, yeah, fool me fool. Wanna think, me no know. Mankind is a real one. I'm changing the full moon. My God, that's it. With a dollar out of church, if a cabin, but it not learn. So in my soul, the Father God, take my life, it can't go burn. I thought so. You can't kill the soul. I thought so. You can't kill the world. When you can't stop the universe. Seriously, don't look for them girl on plastic shoes. Tell them so for your plastic shoes, but the blue when you talk can't get me down. Me a real you, no for them I see true. Come on for the free food, yeah, fool me fool. You think, you don't know. Mankind is a real one. I'm changing full moon. Me a real you, no for them I see true. Come on for the free food, yeah, fool me fool. You think, you don't know. Mankind is a real one. I'm changing full moon. Mankind is a real one.
Yes.
I'm changing full moon. Mankind is a real one. I'm changing full moon.
That was really up by Vibes Cartel. That's up the real people in the place. I'm gonna make nothing stop you now. Now I'm gonna make bad mind carrying it down. Now I'm gonna make no negativity carrying it down. Well, I'll go and Pixie Monkey bless up in the place.
What's up?
We don't know Pixie Monkey could get to know some more song. Strength, we'll go for the Lion Heart now. Alright. I will play Strong Will Continue by Nas and Damian Marley.
All I do is stay focused, looking straight forward at the world and beyond. I feel people pulling me down. I feel something pulling me up. I can't get stuck. I just keep moving forward. Got places to go, man. Let's go. Ready, Indian start and train. All I know is I believe in. Only the strong will continue. You have it in you. Coming back, I'm ready to go. I'm ready to get power and train. I like how we got in the end. Only the strong will continue. No, you have it in you. No, you have it in you. The victory's found in truth. The innocence found in you. That belief is your own dispute. But when you put it up in your own shoes, either you win or lose. Don't you get it confused. The story in your own move. Blame not your own you choose. Stand up and fight if you know what's right. No, you will never better. The thing is that we prevail and the coach that forever say.
I want to pray to Dr. Wiggler. Anyhow, me get creepy in Jamaica. I ain't done. Done.
Live.
I'm going to try it. Oh, God. Look at this.
As I walk through the valley, the shadow of death, New York or Cali, for the money, power, respect. It's a journey, some will get left behind. Because of life, you cannot press rewind. Get it right. You only got one first chance to make one first impression that lasts a lifetime. Reputation supersedes itself.
Yeah. Here we go. Here we go.
1999. Oh, that's an old cut. I'll ask Land about the Crippy, more detail about the Crippy so you guys can know. That's a really nice thing. He's growing the fuck out right now. Yo, him had the wonders with it. Super lemon strain. By the way, we have lemon haze down here.
Yeah, we have lemon haze down here, but we don't have super lemon.
I think I can get lemon haze. I don't have to search for it, but it's something. Okay. Me Bombao. I would never pay $500 for a cup. And I search down there.
Search them weak. We are stubborn and resilient. You'll find it, you know.
Oh, I'm the type of person that hikes the Blue Mountain when we want to really get some good weed and some good strains. So, last time I went to Blue Mountain, I got this bag filled with seeds to the brim. All of this filled with seeds. Now I can get seeds that literally fill a wine bottle. Junction. Yeah, man, strain hunting. I got some, I put on some, but I go up to hunt some more strains. See if we can get some land races.
See a nigga disappearing with the baddest honeys in the whole spot. Yeah.
See.
I'm not that super lemon for 3 years. I can't. Yeah, I can't afford that bumbo. Not a
No, never.
No. Yo, lemon, if me can get the lemon here's them in, I most definitely go and see if me can send over a seed. I have to send it through normal post that which takes forever. That's the thing. It's discreet, so it can go through them place there. How we get someone? Best up to the real survivor, the mother players.
Where? OG good for 20K. Where?
Not the blood clot.
Where?
Not the blood. No.
My pockets
No.
ain't that deep.
No. Yeah, they give me to China with them pockets there.
I gotta dig far for that.
I said lemon. Don't worry. Lemon skunk, lemon grapes, all of the lemon straight there. Once we can get that in Jamaica, which is a thing we know we can do. I said, if me disappear, ask my brother. Once me disappear, me I come back with it.
Always.
When we go, them no know.
They don't want to know. They don't know.
Yeah, I go off the radar for my stuff.
Always try to bring it to them level. Don't forget to them small. But you can't see how you like belly. You go skull. Ever rising, uprising. You just realize it.
Right now we're doing our Rasta party. We like the reasoning we are going. We are reasoning about cuttings, we are reasoning about seeds and some ridiculous prices where me not pay no more.
Yeah.
Wait.
Rastafari party. Me there I want to. And I said some roots above a hill. Cause Rasta no consume season poison. Yeah, in the Rasta party, everything turn up loud. Every Rasta whistle me make them proud. Fresh life out on the cross with a green lot of princess, kings and queens. Yeah, everything turn up loud. Every couple whistle me make them proud. Fresh life out on the cross with a green lot of princess, kings and queens.
Oh, carnival and disappear.
Yes, but they're carnival and this up to the year. Man, take out the chalice out of nowhere. I'm a chalice there. Anyhow, me there carnival and we get the song out here. Me and one this up. I'm not care police nearby. Now one part with this, and this will be my girl. I will be whining on my chalice.
Everything turn up loud, every couple was in the other make them proud. Let's try it out on the cross in a green lot of prince and princess, kings and queens.
Well, go on, chaotic.
No man is water, cause we don't have to you can get a cup of spring water with it. We don't have nothing where you have to die with the road. Me a car with phalange and some bone. Me a fast cause me a drink wine from noon. Me no want sing up alone. Me no want pepperoni. Me vegetable stew that no have nothing on it. Yeah, everything turn up loud. Rasta we say me make them proud. Fresh life out on the cross with a green lot of princess, kings and queens. Yeah, everything turn up loud. Every couple we see the other make them proud. Fresh life out on the cross with a green lot of princess, kings and queens.
Oh, follow us, yeah, man. Follow on Instagram, man.
We follow back.
We follow back. Always. We follow here.
Feel,
Follow here.
you feel now, Paul.
We follow you.
Yeah, so everything turn up loud. Well loud. I am the ganja man.
If you see me rolling up, just don't want the highest and the greater. Highest rate, that's what I feel as the man that shades. As me wake up, the whole of mess before me beard. Have the herbs in my palm, brush before me touch the stage. Well, like now, give me the weed, the rapping paper. Go on the herbs in my lung, no give me no paper. Go on, slow me, higher than a skyscraper. It make no time, no me catch up like commentator.
We are alive. We are alive. Anyway, you see the yard, you see ganja. Rock it up and wrap it up and light it up again. I trees a Charlie slope across it in a circle with my friend. Cut it up and wrap it up and light it up again. Ganja, 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 ganja. If you know me, no set up the scene. I'm a million, no need no man to roll me strip and lace it with cocaine. Sharper than the last I used to put it in. I'm healing at the nation, only ganja to me brain. I got my mind on the weed in my mind, forget that space. Now it's on my last dollar guy, them say they have 2 ounce, but me have 2 pound. Go tell the ends and I would verify because we alive. We alive. We alive. Ganja, 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 ganja. Anywhere you see the yard, you see dancehall. Anywhere you see a yard, you see reggae. Anywhere you see the yard, you see ganja, 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 ganja.
Everything set? That's my idea. Ganja. Varnish?
Yeah.
Okay.
2005 flat. And that's with cats, if I'm correct. And that spray paint doesn't get to see any yellow down at the hardware, but that's checking out the hardware.
I'll check out the spring paint as well. And go to Rapid regarding that.
Right, that's all I know. So,
Yeah.
they don't. I checked there. No, no. They only have
They have issues.
because you see lighting and the hand and all that. You can see.
Success don't come overnight. Don't you know a substance over I do it for the love and I do it for the life.
Always stay high. Always stay high. And yo, license in Jamaica. Say it. Don't worry, we shall achieve it.
Listen, we're in Jamaica right now, Lemon. We're not in UK.
Chill life.
Sure, Lemon GR for the experience. Thank you very much, Lemon, for that. Best of Lemon, ultimate man. We're going to go a mother war. Just yo. Hold on. Once everything starts, I'm going to have giveaways for you guys. It's not going to be giveaways where you're going to be in contests all the time. Nah. I got your appreciation for my subscribers and stuff. My ultimate man. Most frequent viewers. Urban Zero Fox. Fill the pipe.
Come on. Yeah, I'm gonna put that on it, man. I'll do some more work on it.
Yeah, the bamboos.
It's what we call it.
No, we're going to take out this different sizes.
This is the medium.
Oh,
Yeah. No, this is the large.
yeah.
This is the large. This is
Compared to
this and
everything.
then this is the
So, oh, that's my prototype.
this is the prototype.
But this is the largest, medium,
Medium.
and the smallest size of bamboo. And yes, you get bamboo nipples with it. Bamboo nipples. I leave the nipples on a couple of them. So with that on eBay, I'll be setting the prices soon. Everything got pushed back, so by next week I'll be able to set up everything. This little one, we name it Little Miss.
You come in.
The medium one is called Easy Skanking,
Easy skanking. Easy.
and this, the big ones are called Big Bumbo.
Big combo.
So I kept them in my room so that they can dry properly and out of the weather.
Very nice. You gonna varnish and paint them and everything.
So setting up everything so that they can be ready, getting the caps and everything. You need light. Yeah, pass it. Selfish with the teeth. Me.
Got one well hot.
Trust me. What I initially planned to do is do an auction for the first 10.
First 10 auctioning off. You gotta be quick.
Auctioning
Gotta be
off.
quick.
We're going to do something special with the first 10. They're going to be, how should I put it? 10 different designs, 10 different everything. It's
That
going to
is
come with a bundle where you're going to get bamboo stuffer, so you can stuff down your weed. You're going to get bamboo rolling tips, and I'm going to see if I can make enough hash trays. So you're going to get chalice, bamboo rolling tip, bamboo ashtray, a stuffer, and I might just throw in.
Yes, exclusive. Yeah, man, exclusive.
Or throw in a pack of Lion Pride Whistler.
Yeah, I want a pack of Lion Pride
To show say it's Jamaican.
Just to show.
One pack of Lion Pride Whistler.
And just enjoy.
And enjoy.
It's not on your glass, I'm sorry.
Right, let me see if it's refillable.
Yes, it is.
I just need to do a thing in. I got my clipper lighter to refill.
When I look at where I'm coming from, I know I'm blessed. And I can
No, Shaky Warrior.
Yes, this is gonna be a battle.
This steel.
and I've done my best.
Yeah.
So everything's alright.
Royal, what's up?
Every morning, I rise, I step at the sun. I know it.
Pause this for a second. This is a news brief. This is a flash warning. This I don't know if I call this. I fucked with the design for the chalices. So with that, through talking with people and everything, it's like this little prototype here where you can see this bamboo. It was dawned upon me, right, Randy? Set up a bamboo attachment so you can drop a dab nail in that backside, drop a corks in that, and I say, oh, what the diameter and all that? Then it's a 14 millimeter. It's a 14 millimeter. Wait, drawbreaks. I do something like this when I put bamboo in a bamboo. Right now, I can put bamboo in a glass to on my body. So guess what? The bamboo chalices, the 10 exclusive that are going out, these 10 are going to be blessed because I do some designs on them. When you have the Rasta colors, go and get them with the rolling tips. Go and get them with your ashtray and the stuffer.
Stickers.
You want to see if I can do stickers as well?
Well, you're gonna get the Randy's logo stickers straight from Jamaica.
And a pack of Rizla. And also, it's gonna be a bamboo steamers, meaning a vaporizer, chalice, meaning a bong, and with the bamboo attachment, you can slide on the bamboo on this piece, drop your corks in that, and it's gonna be a bamboo dab rig as well. So it's gonna be a 3-in-1, bong, vaporizer, and dab rig. Exclusive, first 10 coming out.
Yeah.
I am taking much pride and dignity in making these to push out the brand, to push out the chalices, make you guys enjoy this product as much as possible. And trust me, I'll put you in the work. The prototype are nothing. The prototype will just for me enjoy. These, I am envious of you guys. Me not get one. I will not be touching one. I will not be able to smoke out of these. I'll be testing them to see how well they function.
But
We're
we
like,
will
I got an air pump and all of that.
We will
But
not.
from that, you
We
guys
will
are
not.
gonna be getting this.
No, we touching these.
So hold this, my brother.
Oh Lord.
So let me just show a little preview of what I'm going to do. So on this little baby right here, I'm going to drop the Rasta colors right here. Black, green, yellow, gold, and red. Right down here, so. Yeah, man. Right down here, so. Up here, so now, I'm going to get a unique design. Didn't tell y'all that I went to the University of Technology in Jamaica. I was going to do multimedia, but I decided to do networking. I got graphic design, so you're going to get a freshly made design printed on here. Zine, and you're just going to have everything functioning. The chalice and everything. You're going well varnished, you're going to look natural and neat.
You get it straight from Jamaica.
Zine.
10 now, 10 exclusive right now. So you gotta get them quick.
By next week, Friday, they will be ready because we'll be getting we're getting some car plugs, some heat resistant plugs so that they can plug properly, that the bamboo fits in neatly, and even though it expands, you will have a airtight seal. Everything's gonna be done so that no fumes, no nothing, clean, as natural as possible. But yeah, man, when we can get a chalice, where basically is a bomb, vaporizer, and
a steamers,
a dab rig. As I'm gonna show you the clear part. I'm making you understand what I'm saying. When you get a vaporizer. Alright. So what it is, this is called the kutchi. This is the clay bowl. Nice little shape thing. You see there's an indent inside of it so that you can drop one of these in there. Yeah, a clay mesh that has been made to fit the size of.
It's a lot of weed you can put in there, I'm telling you.
There's a lot of weed you can stuff in this.
A lot of weed you can put in here.
So what you do when you wanna do the steaming aspect, the vaporizing aspect, you just drop this baby.
Yeah,
in
handmade.
there.
Randy did them. Randy made put them.
And I got them from Itamar.
Oh, okay.
So I collab with Itamar, and he's the maker of these. I said drop the mesh in, and you drop like the hookah coals. We use we got coconuts here, so we just basically blaze the coconut shells and make them become natural charcoal. So basically, heat produced from the coal warms your weed, steams it, vaporizes your weed. Vaporizer, steamers.
It's gonna be a nice stuff. It's a lot, and we can use a lot of different stuff with it.
Yeah. Ooh. And don't worry, after the 10, much larger shit may go come out as well. But those 10 will be very special indeed, my friends.
Then we're gonna come up with some animated foolishness.
Now we're gonna come up with stickers, shirts, don't do a lot. I wanna use the brand Jamaica because at the end of the day, I am Jamaican.
Straight from Bamba Clot, Jamaica.
And guess what? I want to share Jamaica with the world. I want the Racha, as they say in Jamaica, Racha. I want the raw Jamaica to be shown. That when we move around Jamaica, when we travel around, you guys are seeing the actual footage, not the documented foolishness. By the way, Lemon, drop my email address in so that Midwest can get it. My stuff is lagging. If I touch this, I fear my computer will explode. I've not touched chat in a while, and in all honesty, I'm afraid to touch it because if it explodes, we're just going to sit down in the corner and cry. Bless up Christopher, the professor in the place.
Professor!
Let me see if we can touch this again.
Touch this way. Where?
It's a blessing, so when the evening comes down,
Here's a good one. How?
Bye, Ja.
Yes. Let's up. Let's up.
Where's the weed?
I mean, I don't know what you did with the weed. You put
Hey, be careful with this. Okay, so we got that.
Mhm.
That there, so.
Okay.
I just don't like misplacing things because my house tends to eat what it wants. This is a stoner. We have box in here, so till it love weed. The teeth my lighter, Marisma, and my weed.
lift up my eyes to this, let's go. Sometimes I'm lost and far from home.
We're actually gonna come off here soon, Chris. We'll talk soon. Wow. Yeah, we got photography to do.
Yeah.
The clients are gonna have their first photo shoot.
Yeah. Run up there. Run up.
Photo shoot. And yes, the man, I was venting. Not like negativity in this world. Not like bad mind. Not like people just trying to hinder other people, trying to hurt other people. Not like that. So best of for the people that allow me to vent. Best of to the people that the place. It was an honor being here as usual. Always from Jamaica, much love. Bamboo chalices on the way. Hit me up in my email. I'll be able to respond to you guys after this.
Always don't forget to subscribe and
Don't forget to subscribe. Don't
Follow us
forget
on
to share.
Instagram.
Don't forget to follow us on Instagram. There's much that is gonna be done here from Jamaica. You guys know of an outlet where I will be showcasing not only the bamboo chalices, not just smoking weed, not just talking and chilling.
and
So we'll be on the streets, we'll be getting the cameras. We're working in the money, so that's why I don't see more often. So working in the money so I can get my stuff done, hustle, grind, do the street work, so that when we're ready, when I just see this background no more, you're not going to see me on a beach me walking around in Jamaica, I want the culture to be a part of the YouTube scene now. So that's going to come out. So bless up to everyone in this place. Much love and bless up. As I said, I'm going to end as usual. Remember that you guys are a blessing onto this world. Remember, you guys are special. You guys are loved. No one can be you. No one can love like you. No one can understand the things you understand. Live your life for you and only you. Much love and blessings to all of the people in this world. Bless out. Blessings from Jamaica. Much love. Randy Gaston. Peace. Bless up, Helix.
What's up and bless up everybody? Have a wonderful Friday evening. I'm so high. I love it. So more things to do, a lot of work to do.
Bless up, everybody.